Hello YouTubers, today I want to talk about how I made my snake stick. So many years ago I decided to build me a snake hook to make it a little easier to catch them while I was walking in the woods. And it's pretty simple. I just took an old steel golf club, cut the head off, went and bought me some iron rod to match the inside diameter of the golf club. I just used a blowtorch to bend it into shape. You know, and ground down the end here so it'd be blunt and not sharp. And then I left the rod so it goes about this far into the handle, and I used epoxy putty to hold it in place. And I've had this for about 15 years now, and it's held up pretty well. Anyway, I just thought I'd share, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.